your bags and take the trail. One that gives you lots of thrill. You ain't getting, baby.
First step, grapevine right. Step to the right with your right foot. Step your left foot behind your right foot. Step to the right with your right foot. Scuff your left heel to the left side of your right foot. Next step, grapevine left. Step to the left with your left foot. Step your right foot behind your left foot. Step to the left with your left foot. And scuff your right heel to the left side of your right foot. Next is walk forward. Step forward onto your right foot. Bring your left foot up to your right knee, clapping your hands. Step forward onto your left foot and bring your right foot up to your left knee, clapping your hands. For the walk backward, step back on your right foot and then your left foot. Step back again on your right foot, then touch your left foot down. Next steps are hips and turn. Shake your hips twice to the left and then twice to the right. Shake again, once to the left and once to the right. Do a quarter turn left, scuffing your right foot and then stepping onto your right to start the dance all over again. Now, let's perform the basic dance steps of line dance.
Pack your bags and take the trail. One that gives you lots of thrill. You ain't getting, baby, all the real fun till the rodeo's begun. Tell your mom you're going fast, where the cowboys beat the dust. You ain't looking, baby, at the real man. Whoa, till the rodeo's begun. Rodeo Masbateño, Rodeo Masbateño. Come shake me all around and take me off the ground. Turn me round and round on the greatest Filipino rodeo. We horses take your bulls on the dirt roads in Stockholm, where the dazzling beauty only we can share. Take our hearts with you as well. Come on, honey, come on, boys. Down the hill we serve your choice. Take the joy that comes from ragged company. Whoa,